So do you want to become a teacher in California? The process is more confusing than you think. Multiple credentials, exams, and pathways. And choose wrong and you waste months. So here's the right way. First, let's know what it is. California Teacher Certification Options refers to the different pathways you can take to become a licensed teacher in California. It allows people with different backgrounds to become teachers through multiple routes. Now, what is the main idea here? So, not everyone becomes a teacher the same way. So, California offers different certification paths depending on your education, experience, and career stage. Now, there are various options. Number one is traditional teaching credential path. So, for this, complete a bachelor's degree, enroll in a state-approved teacher preparation program, and pass required exams like basic skills, or you can say the subject tests. This is best for students or recent graduates. Number two, alternative certification or intern programs. Start teaching while completing training. Earn salary during the process, and this includes mentorship plus on-the-job learning. Now, this one is best for career changers or those who want faster entry. Number three is post-baccalaureate programs. Now, this is done after completing a degree and it combines coursework plus teaching practice. It is a structured and guided path. Now, this one is best for graduates who want a formal training route. For number four, we have got is clear credential path. This one is the step after the preliminary credential, and this requires teaching experience plus induction program, and it leads to long-term plus renewable certification, and this is best for teachers continuing their career. Finally, number five, out-of-state certification transfer. Now, for certain teachers licensed in another state, they may need to meet additional California requirements. It is faster than starting from scratch, and this is best for experienced teachers relocating. This was all. Thanks for watching.